Hey, I just wanted to tune in, but I've been following a little bit now. Question might be a little unrelated, but I have been wanting to ask. Okay, there are many opportunities. Are there many opportunities to work ISO with clearance fully remote? Yeah, hit me up. I've got one. I can send you a couple different ones as an ISO. I'm pretty sure I can send you their way. Like if you're a legit ISO, you already have a clearance, then I can show you a couple that are out there. It's way more in office, okay, for ISO work because obviously ISOs and if let me back up. Okay, so an ISO is an information system security officer. These are GRC people who work with the US government. That's all it is. It's a GRC expert who works in the government. They know NIST 800. They know NIST CSF. They know how to apply those. They do a lot of documentation, like a plan of action and milestone. They do things like a system security plan. They participate in audits. They're sometimes they can be technical. It depends on the job. But that is what an ISO is. But if you guys are interested in, if you are an ISO and you are like, man, I have a clearance, I want a remote job, I want this kind of job, hit me up. I can send you, like or better yet, join the group ConvoCourses, and every now and then I'll post jobs inside of ConvoCourses.com. If you go to login.convocourses.com, I'm posting jobs there's so many opportunities always happening. You'd be surprised. Some of them are way better than ISO jobs. There's some that are way better than ISO jobs. I know that sounds crazy, but you can remotely work. There's so much opportunity. That's why it's frustrating when people say, "Oh, there's no jobs. I don't know what to do." I'm like, I don't know, man. I think some of it's mindset. I in some Don't get me wrong, in some career paths, I think definitely there's no jobs. In some places, if you're not willing to work for a certain amount of money, or if you have all these different requirements, then yeah, you probably are not gonna have a really hard time. It's not gonna be as easy as it was 10 years ago or whatever. But if you if you're willing to do whatever it takes to take care of your family, if you like me, right? Like I'm speaking to myself out there. If you are like, I'm going and I'm not gonna be broke. I'm gonna do whatever it takes. I'm gonna take as many years as possible to learn this craft. I'm not gonna live like I did when I was a kid. I'm willing to do whatever it takes and make it whatever kind of sacrifice. If that is you, if I'm speaking to you right now, come to Combo Courses. I'm posting jobs out there. If you're willing to learn, I'm willing to teach it. Most 98% of the stuff I put out there is free. Um, there's a ton of people that are experts that are already doing this kind of stuff, um, and they're giving out free game. So you want to call it a course, or you're offended by that term course. Call it whatever you want, content, but it's free on YouTube. Go to YouTube. There's a ton of free stuff out there. There's a way for you to learn it. There's people already doing what you want to do, your dream job. Um, it's out there. It exists.